Hello, today we will guide you through how to AD indicators on TradeLocker. In this walkthrough, we'll add an indicator to a chart in TradeLocker, and I'll point out a few practical tips so everything is clear and smooth. Indicators are tools that help you interpret price action, spot trends, and find potential entry or exit points. Even if you're new to TradeLocker, the process is quick once you know where to look. Begin on your TradeLocker chart and open the -USD market. Any symbol works the same way, but we'll use this one so you can follow along. Make sure the chart is visible and loaded. You can stay on whatever time frame you prefer. If your layout feels crowded, give yourself a bit of space by collapsing any extra panels so the main chart is front and center. At the top of the chart, locate the indicator's control. It's in the main toolbar area above the price chart, typically labeled indicators or shown with a familiar FX style icon. It sits alongside other chart tools like timeframes and drawing controls. If you don't see it immediately, glance across the top row of buttons until you spot it. It's always on that upper toolbar. Click the Indicators button. This opens the indicator library where you can browse or search. You'll notice a search field at the top of the panel that helps you quickly find what you need without scrolling through long lists. In the search field, type Sample Indicator. As you type, matching results will appear below. Spelling doesn't have to be perfect. The search is usually forgiving and will surface the closest options. If you see multiple items with similar names, take a moment to choose the one that matches what you want. Click the result to add it to your chart. Once selected, TradeLocker immediately applies the indicator. Depending on the type, it will either overlay on the price candles or appear in a separate panel beneath the chart. You should see its name appear in your chart legend, confirming it's active. If you don't notice a change right away, try looking just below the main chart for a new pane, or scan the legend to confirm it's been added. From here, you can continue your analysis with the new indicator in place. If you plan to use it often, consider keeping this chart open as part of your regular workspace, so it's ready next time you log in. That's all it takes to add indicators on TradeLocker. Open your chart, find the Indicators button at the top, search for the indicator by name, and click to apply. Thanks for following along, and happy charting.